Hi, this is Earl Hager with Panidea. We're a global technology commercialization company. We help entrepreneurs grow their businesses. The next step we're going to look at is social media, in particular how to use LinkedIn in your professional relationships. This is different from Facebook, which has a lot of personal things on it, and we'll get with that later on, and also Twitter, which has certain advantages and disadvantages. But right now the focus is on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is a very important device for you as a startup. It is one of the best tools. It is the ability for you to find people, to connect with people, and to understand who you know and who can connect you with new people. Through your LinkedIn connections, you can find out that someone can connect you to the purchasing agent at Ford, for example, or the purchasing agent at Walmart, or the purchasing agent at some other company, or the evaluator of technologies at DuPont. You need to understand this. You need to take advantage of LinkedIn and look at how this process works. So the first step you need to do is to create a LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile must be thorough. You've got to include the companies that you've worked in because that's searchable. After you enter your companies you've worked with, you also want to enter your schools. You need to do a lot with keywords and ideas and things that you work with because this is all very, very searchable. You need to look at joining groups. You have a maximum of 50 groups that you can join, and if you focus on some of the larger groups, you may be able to connect and send messages to members of the group and get introductions. You can use LinkedIn to search and for introductions because your friend might know someone who can introduce you. The profile is the first step. It is very key and very important that you make it thorough and you make yourself look like a major player on LinkedIn. You can also put out presentations on what your company does out on SlideShare, which is an add-in on LinkedIn. You can also list books that you think are important for people to read. It gives you a little bit more depth and a little bit more ideas and a little bit more process to what you're doing. It demonstrates that you know a lot more about the marketplace than simply running a small business. So the bottom line is LinkedIn is a very key tool, and it's something that your organization needs to look at, and it's something you need to do on a personal level and create a very thorough profile. Send me a connection request and tell me that you saw this video on YouTube, and I'll connect with you. It'll help increase what you're working with, and maybe we can help you out. Thanks, and look forward to seeing you in other presentations by Panidea on YouTube.